Okay, it is now several hours later. I need to complete this installation process, so I'm back where we left off a while back. I'm going to go check my downloads here in Firefox, and it gives me this mactech.pkg file. Just open that. And this might take a while as well. It took over an hour to download the whole package to begin with. The spinning rainbow circle is always a wonderful sign that things are going well. But yeah, so you just have to be patient, and you have basically the whole weekend to do this. I only have a few minutes to make this continue to be interesting. We'll see how that goes. Probably also doesn't help that I bought this computer in 2008, but it still works. Desktops are just not as popular as they used to be. Oh, so yeah, I could help myself out. It gives me the MacTech installer. Go to continue and just follow the directions. Definitely I agree to everything, even though I didn't read it. Yep. And that'll take 5.5 gigs on the computer. So in 2008, that would have been a lot. Nowadays, it's not so much. I think I might pause here. We'll see how long this takes. I'll let it roll. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely going to pause. Catch you on the other side.